And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube. Forgot one item. Yeah, every item gets a new video. Makes more videos on YouTube. More exciting things to watch. Plus you don't get 60 items stuck in one video and you want to see one item. So yeah, bucking bar. I bought one of these online at an aircraft supply company, and they were $10 for a used bucking bar. I wasn't going to buy a tungsten one because the tungsten ones are like, what, $200 for a pound of tungsten. This one's a little thin, which is pretty cool. Nice and smooth. It's in good shape. $10. So, what do you call it? If I buy 5 more of these, does it mean I'll have $5? Anyway, duh. Anyway, good little used bucking bar, $10. I use it to do rivets on the, or you can see it from here. If you look right over, right there. See that pile of chairs right there? Right there. All those chairs need rivets. That's in my plan of what to do. So it's either the bucking bar or the air hand rivet gun or the pneumatic riveter. It was supposed to have decorative rivets in there. Well, now it's getting non-decorative rivets. It's getting structural, actually crushed on cool ass looking rivets instead of ugly hidden welds in the back. So yeah, $10 for a buck. It's pretty funny, $10 for a buck. Anyway, end a short video. Like, subscribe, eat bacon, chew gum. I don't know, burp, fart, whatever you got to do. Enjoy life and have fun. Thanks for watching.